Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so today I'm going to be holding my phone and showing you around where the magic happens, where DTW magic happens. Okay, it's from my home, my humble home. Okay, and let me just quickly go around. Can you see there's a class going on now? All right, these are all my books. Can you see my books? Can you see where my books are? That table there is for my son. That is his own laptop. You can see where my phone is. Okay, so this is where all the magic happens. Our textbooks. Can you see your hidden success? Every of your textbooks, my water you can see sad books, all books. You can see my wall, your timetable, everything, planning for you, my printer, still books here also. Okay, so we are here for you. Let me reduce this. You can see we have a class going on now, a math class. Can you see that going on now? So this is how our online classes are done. Okay, in case you don't know, I'm inviting you to join the DTW online classes. That's what I'm inviting you to join. Okay, we have, let me reduce this volume. All right, we have over 13 teachers. Some people think that I'm the only one teaching. I'm not the one only one teaching. No, are you with me? I'm a science person, maths, physics person. We have other teachers, and I only come in. What I'm doing is I'm at the background managing each teacher, making sure that there's effectiveness. You know, it is productive. Students are getting what they need. All right, so come join us. JAMB is around the corner. We didn't go on holiday. I told you that we're not going on holiday for you. We are not going on holiday for you. Okay, and these classes are free because it's our assessment week. So I made the many days. There's also going to be assessment tomorrow, 28th. There's also going to be assessment 30th. So what he's doing is he did his own assessment. This teacher did his own assessment 23rd. He's doing the correction. Let me show you quickly. Can you see he's doing the correction with students? So it's like our own revision, okay, with students. All right, so come join DTW online JAMB and WAEC classes. We are the best, and there's something coming up, warming up in the corners, in the corridor. Okay, which is our seminar, our webinar, yes. Okay, where we're going to be having students who scored, you know, the highest top scorers from DTW 2024 online classes, 350, 51, 338, 309, 3004, coming, you know, in medicine, in law, in engineering, coming to share with you their tactics. It's a free webinar. Don't worry, I'll share it and I'll let you know. Also, I also wanted to let you know, JAMB has, you know, officially stated that JAMB registration starts on the 15th of February. So that seminar also is going to cover, you know, it's going to cover on registration process and the mistakes to avoid. Okay, so make sure you follow us. Follow our groups. Please join our groups. Like these free classes, I've shared the link on our WhatsApp group, our free WhatsApp group, our free Telegram group, our Facebook group. Follow us so you are instantly notified of any educational information in Nigeria. Okay, and for those who, you know, your WAEC result, something was cancelled, whatever, you want to take WAEC again, WAEC GCE form is out. Contact me before it closes. Okay, it closes around January, middle ending January, but it's always good you quickly contact me so you register and start preparing so you can sit for it again. All right, because you know your JAMB you can put in awaiting results. All right, so join us, the best online classes in Nigeria, the best. It is live. When we get into January, we're also going to be doing several brainstorming on the group. We are prepping you. You see, and you must pass. That is my own goal. You must pass your examination. It is 7,000 naira monthly. Also, don't forget to get the DTW JAMB CBT app. That is 4,000 naira yearly. Apart from going to classes, you need your digital past questions, all right, and solutions. Apart from your past question and solution, the app has a study planner to help you study. It has so many other features. You can retrieve questions on a particular topic in seconds on the app. So please, if you cannot attend classes, get DTW JAMB CBT app, okay, and share this video. You are blessed and you are destined to win. All right, follow us on all our social media handle where we're going to be. You can be instantly notified, updated of any information of JAMB or WAEC. Okay, is that all? Yes, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. You are blessed and you are destined to win. See you soon. Okay?